says you need to spend a fortune to make your home feel magical this Christmas? Today, I'm sharing a fun, budget-friendly DIY that transforms those Amazon boxes, ornament storage, and those big storage boxes into gorgeous faux Christmas presents. The best part is that these double as holiday decor and storage solutions. This simple hack will save you money, reduce waste, and keep your holiday spirit organized. Let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need. Cardboard boxes of any size, fabric or wrapping paper. It's a great time for you to use up those small scraps if you have tiny boxes. Bonus points if your wrapping paper is sustainable. Then some glue, scissors, my favorite double-sided tape, and of course some festive ribbon. Quick tip, save those shipping boxes or even the ones your ornaments came in. This way you're recycling and saving money. There are so many ways you can wrap these boxes, and each one adds its own unique touch. Let me show you 3 different ways so you can pick the best one that works best for you. Option 1, wrap it like a regular gift. I recommend double-sided tape for a neat and polished look. It's quick, simple, and perfect for smaller boxes. We're going to glue the paper directly to the box. Now, there's many different glues you can use depending on your paper. I use hot glue at certain points for this aluminum foil type of paper. I'm trying to get rid of this glue right now, but you can use tacky, spray adhesive, many different options. Option 2, for a tight, durable finish, glue the wrapping paper directly onto the box. I like to focus the glue on the perimeter of each side and then smooth it out. There's a very specific reason why I'm not wrapping this like a normal present, because it has an opening on the bottom that I want to put paper on separately so it can open and close with no issues. This technique is amazing for boxes you'll pack and unpack year after year. Since the paper isn't loose, it's less likely to tear. Option 3 is for those ornament boxes with a window. I like to leave the window exposed so I can see what's inside. There are 3 ways to keep these boxes reusable. 1, leave the opening exposed, perfect for spots like on top of kitchen cabinets. 2, fully glue wrapping paper to each part of the box lid. And 3, I got a little extra detailed and used a clever ribbon hack to hide the opening. Now let's talk about large storage boxes. They can actually be closed or open. The open ones are great for nesting a bunch of these boxes within each other, and they fit right in here. These boxes are also great for those larger decor pieces. And here's my pro tip. Label the inside, or better yet, take a picture of what goes inside the box. I have a folder on my phone for Christmas decor. I include pictures of how I decorated and what goes into each box. It helps me so much when I'm packing up or recreating my favorite looks next year. Now let's get creative. You can add ribbons, bows, or even ornamental decor to it, or custom gift tags. Maybe even twine bows to give it that rustic charm. Now here's where you can let your personality shine. What would you add to make these unique? Drop your ideas in the comments. I love getting inspired by you. The reason why I chose ribbon and bows over this beautiful ornamental decor is, for me, I pack everything really tight and I want to make sure that it can get crushed. That's the great part about having wired ribbon, because it can completely collapse. And then another example to wrap your box, told you there's many ways, is have some like this. So you can take this, put it in here. All those items, this is full of ornaments. This is full of some hanging snowflakes that I have in my house. And then this will fit in here. How everything just nests together so it doesn't take up much room in your holiday storage closet. With just a little creativity, you turn ordinary boxes into something extraordinary. You save money, reduce waste, and added that personal touch to your home. I honestly had no idea how many faux presents I had around the house.